I feel like one of the best ways to rewire your subconscious and to also help with regulating your nervous system, which is, pretty much stopping you from having anxiety and having your thoughts spiral, is to set signs and to have symbols that change frequently because our subconscious mind responds very well to having these things be in our reality. For instance, there are certain things that you can see and you immediately know and have a response to it just because there's a certain mark or a symbol or something that you associate to it. And signs and symbols can be the exact same thing, especially if you decide to then change what they are as you progress through your manifestation stages. For instance, if you want to get a job at a smoothie shop, then ask to start seeing different smoothie flavors. Ask for a different smoothie flavor every week or something, and then make sure it's something that changes so that way it's not something that you are just putting into your mind absently. Because the thing is, you're manifesting those signs. And I've come to, in my personal experience, manifesting signs are very simple. So after a while, if you see something repetitively and you see it in a very unique way, your mind is like, hey, that's what that means. Like, I put this here because I know I'm going to get a smoothie job. So now I'm seeing this as confirmation. And then, this week I saw grape smoothies. Next week I saw tropical, or next week I saw cherry. You know what I mean? Like, every time you change it up and you keep it consistent, or you change it up and you consistently do that as time progresses, your mind adapts, and it's not like it's just the same old sign that you're just getting used to. You're seeing your mind adapts and shifts. You're seeing motion happen, more or less, and your subconscious mind is registering that as, okay, this is still happening. I might not have this manifestation in front of me yet, but this is still happening because I'm seeing this specific sign that I put out there. And you can do that for anything. You can always set a specific sign to mean pretty much anything that you want, and then ask for it and wait. Whether it comes to asking to connect to your loved one, if you wanted to see like a blue bird or a red bird and say like that means like my mom or my dad is connecting to me, you can, and your loved ones will literally send you that sign. Like, there are countless different things that you can do that will help ease your subconscious mind. And I've had the experience of sometimes spiraling or being frustrated, and then out of nowhere me seeing a very specific sign related to my manifestation that then calms me down in the midst of me spiraling. So that's also something you can try your best to affirm, that whenever I'm doubtful, whenever I'm frustrated, that I will see signs to then correct that doubt and correct that frustration. These little things help your mind, just your subconscious especially, just instead of freaking out, it rewires. It's like it's syncing up to new neural pathways in your brain that allow you to have different responses as you're going through your experience. And it's not like it's going to be something that will help all the time. Sometimes you have just really heavy emotions that need to be worked through, that demand to be felt. And it will really matter sometimes what you're seeing in front of you. You'll probably still, feel what you got to feel. But there's nothing wrong with feeling what you got to feel and then jumping right back into it. Or at least whenever you are ready to kind of then pursue or continue manifestation from there. But either way, I wanted to keep this one pretty short. So peace and blessings, and I hope you guys have a great day.